The pedigree of a pigeon, a racing pigeon, always make for interesting discussion. So for me, a pedigree is really not that important, but nowadays racing pigeons does come with a complete pedigree, and that is only to show how it was bred and maybe how it did perform. Interestingly, all fanciers are the same, and that includes me. One tends to favor the one side of a racing pigeon's pedigree always. For example, say it is a Blauwol, Kittel and Bourgeois combination, and say it's highly effective and racing well. So because I've got the Blauwol pigeons, I'll always first talk about the Blauwol and the Blauwol line, because that's only natural. I'll now and then mention the brilliant Bourgeois or the world famous Kittels, because I guess it suits one. But for me, when I bought my first real great champion, the Blauwol, I visited the auction. It was a physical auction, and I didn't even know how the pedigree looked. I knew how it was bred, but pedigree was really not that important to me. However, the benefits of a good pedigree is it gives you a vision where to go and how to breed, and it also indicates if you're line breeding or inbreeding. So it does help a lot, a complete pedigree, and the more information, the better. But like I say, your own children are always the best and the smartest. Have a good day and a great racing season.